Love, finally, here we are. Thank you kasi out of billion women in the world at ako ang napili mong makasama habang buhay. That was a brave decision. Thank you dahil nung time na nakilala mo ako, until now, you know I was a strong-willed, independent, and complicated person, but still, you stayed.
In my heart, jumping, start and take what you take.
Sabi sa isang kanta, hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti at ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away batin natin di namamalayan. Ito tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi, pipiliin kong maging sayo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong, iyo ako palagi.
So unang-una, we have to establish yung dapat magpapakasal ay desisyon nila, hindi napipilitan. Nuptial love must be free. Walang gustong masunod, kundi kayong dalawang magpapakasal.
You were tougher than me at times, and I guess that's what I needed. Someone to understand my mood swings, to know when to react, when to ignore, and when to laugh at it. You were my partner in everything. You were always so calm despite the stress, so kind and gentle. There might be times that I saw you just chilling out, but all in all, you were so hardworking, a very hands-on companion.
Maika, ipinapangako ko na magiging tapat at mapagkakatiwalaan sa iyo. Itataguyod ko ang pag-ibig natin at ang samahan nating dalawa. Pangako kong aalagaan ka at pangangalagaan ang iyong kaligayahan. Sa mga oras ng kalungkutan at pagdududa, ako ang iyong kakampi at katuwang. Ipaparamdam ko sa iyo ang aking pagmamahal, pag-intindi at pagtanggap na walang hanggan.
Maika, sumasangayon ka ba na maging asawa si Marvin na itong inalusod sa batas at mahal kang tunay na ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkalusan ng sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa pili ang panagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father. Actually, nagkakilala kami sa bahay lang. Nung nakita ko siya sa Instagram, nag-message ako sa kanya. Parang hi, hello, casual lang.
Tapos after ilang months, so nag-message ako. So doon na nag-start. Mas nagkakilala kami.
Sobrang bait, sobrang marespeto, sobrang kalmado lang, which is kabaligtaran ko.
Nung nakilala ko siya is yung napaka-responsable niyang tao. So yung ginagawa niya is hindi lang para sa sarili niya, kundi para din sa family niya.
We hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go, we'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could.
Hi Boop, pasensya na at ito lang muna. Pag nakaluwag-luwag na, saka na yung Omega. Haha. I love you. See you later. Maika. Yun.
Love, since nagsasama naman na tayo, nakita na natin yung good side at bad side ng isa't isa. Sana chill lang, easy lang. Sana lagi ka lang din kalmado kasi alam mo naman na medyo lagi akong mainitin ang ulo. Gagawin ko yung best ko para mag-work yung relationship natin.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something, on to something.
Hi, love. This gift is to show my appreciation for you. See you later. Love, boom.
Love, thank you sa pag-intindi sa akin. Yung turing mo sa pamilya ko is pamilya mo. Pagsusumikapan kung maging okay ang lahat. Hindi man perfecto, pero sa pagtutulungan natin, alam kong magiging okay ang lahat. Love, I love you and congrats sa atin.
We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows. Going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good.
Marvin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Micah na natong inanunsod sa batas at mahal tuntunin na ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso pang paglabasan ng sarili bilang kanyang asawa.
Opo, Father.
Look at the stars high above.
Ang ating pangako sa isa't isa ay hindi lamang salita, kundi aksyon. Mamahalin ko ang iyong mga magulang at pamilya bilang aking sarili. Pangako kong itataguyod ang ating tahanan at magiging mabuting asawa at ama ng ating magiging mga anak. Magiging tapat ako sa mga responsibilidad bilang iyong kasama sa buhay.
Marvin will make peace your wife, Micah.
So why should we stay if you are?
Today marks the new chapter of our life. And as we face it, let us be each other's ally. Life is not perfect. Let's not live up to others' expectations. Let us enjoy every bit, and when tough time comes and we might feel like giving up, let us always remember this day, the reason where it all started. Love.
Once in a lifetime. Once in a
Ito ang araw na itinakda ng ating tadhana at ako'y lubusang handang magsimula ng bagong buhay kasama ka. Mahal kita ng lubos at pangakong aalagaan at mamahalin ka habang buhay. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Poong May Kapal sapagkat ikaw ang itinadhana niya para sa akin.
go, as long